Hello, Jibik. Hello, my friend. This is Kiki from China. Today I'm in the workshop. I will go to show you what we are doing. We are assembling the single phase motor and also the three phase motor today. So let's go to check it. Hello, my friend. You can see here this is the single phase motor with aluminum body, 2.2 kilowatt. You can check here. And check here, all the motor is copper wire. Okay. It's a single phase motor with aluminum body. Okay. You can check here, the motor body is aluminum body, and here the copper wire, the motor winding is the copper wire. This is 100% copper wire. The motor is aluminum body for single phase motor. Hello, my friend. Thank you for watching. This is the Dongchuan motor from China. We are manufacturer of the electric motor. You can see here, today we are assembling single phase motor. This is a 2.2 kilowatt single phase motor. You can check here. You can check all the motor winding is 100% copper wire. We only make the good quality, and the motor winding must be 100% copper wire. Okay. Hello, my friend. This is Kiki from China. Thank you for watching. So just now I show you on the production line is for the single phase motor with aluminum body. And now let's go to check for another line for the three phase motor with casting iron body. Hello, my friend. Thank you for watching. Let's go to check. Okay, let's go to check for the three phase motor on the assembly line. Okay, you can check here. Here is the three phase motor, 7.5 kilowatt 2-pole, 10 horsepower 2-pole. The speed is 2,900 RPM, and the motor body is casting iron. You can check all the motor winding is 100% copper wire. Now we are assembling the motor. Okay. And you can check here. You can see here all the motor winding is 100% copper wire, and the motor body is casting iron. You can see here. And here is our testing machine. After assembling the motor, we must testing all the motor one by one. Hello, my friend Sebastian Mehmeti. Hello, my friend. Thank you for watching. Now we are assembling. Now I show you on the production line is 7.5 kilowatt 2-pole 3-phase motor with casting iron body. Hello, my friend. Thank you for watching. How are you today? This is the motor, 3-phase motor, 10 horsepower 2-pole. The speed is 2,900 RPM. Thank you. Okay, you can check how we're assembling the motor. Now we are assembling the 10 horsepower 2-pole 3-phase motor. The motor is casting iron body, you can see. And the motor winding is 100% copper wire. Hello my friends, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. And now let's go to check for another line. We are assembling the 90 kilowatt and 160 kilowatt 4-pole 3-phase motor. You can check how it looks for the motor winding, okay? You can check here, is the 90 kilowatt 6-pole 3-phase motor. You can check here the motor winding. Or here is the copper wire. You can see here. How we make connection for the wires. And you also can check here is the 160 kilowatt 4-pole 3-phase motor. Okay. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. We are making both 3-phase and also single-phase motor for both aluminium body and casting iron body. If you are interested in the motor, please just let me know by email or message, okay? So let's go to check my name card. Okay, you can check here. This is our catalog and also my name card. My name is Kiki Liu and Dongchun is our logo. Here is our company name, Taizhou Dongchun Motor Company Limited. We are in China. You also can find the cell phone number to add by WhatsApp or WeChat. Also welcome to send me email and visit our website for more information. You also can scan this QR code to save all information in your mobile at just a few seconds, okay? Okay, my friend Kiki from China, thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.